Nolan, and today we're going to be doing a fidget spinner review. So the first one is my bright green one I got from New Hampshire. It spins really well. Recommend you get it. It's a tri fidget spinner, and yeah, it's pretty normal. Next we have is my glow in the dark one. Here's my glow in the dark one. Pretty good. And next is my gear one. It's really good. It's really stable. Alright. Next is my cool designed one. I recommend you get this. Okay, there you go. I'm showing you how it spins. No loose bearings at all. Next is my Batman one. Batman! Alright, there's my Batman one. Next is my Golden Wheel one. Yeah, I recommend you get this. It's really good. Next is my blue metallic one. Blue chrome metallic one over here. It's really, really good to spin. And the last one we have is die smiley face one. Like the red bearings is good. It spins really well and it's pretty heavy, to be honest. So yeah, those are my fidget spinners. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.